In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear glass lift support on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located on your back glass. Now, if your back glass lift supports are weak or one of them is blown out or both are blown out, the glass will probably be dropping down on you. So you want to have one of two things, either a human supporting the glass for you while you do this job, or you want to go ahead and prop it up using something that you find safe to use. Now, you're going to come over to the lift support here, and on the bottom side, you're going to use a T30 Torx bit. You're going to loosen and remove the whole ball stud from the tailgate itself. On the top side, there is a spring clip you're going to release using a small pocket flathead screwdriver. You're just going to come up on the back side, gently pry this out, and you're going to pull the lift support off of the ball stud that is on this bracket. There it is. On installation, I'm going to install the ball stud first. This requires a T40 Torx bit. I'm going to put it into the ball stud, line that up, and go ahead and start to thread it in by hand. Once that's bottomed out, I'm going to switch over to my hand ratchet. I'm not going to use power tools because I do not want to over tighten this and strip the threads out. So once that stud bottoms out, not even a quarter turn. Just you want to snug that down pretty good. And on the top side, you're going to lift up on that glass, line that up, and press it onto the stud. The driver's side is now complete. If you find it necessary to replace the passenger side, you want to go ahead and do that now. If not, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.